there. This is Dr. Jody, and today I'm going to show you a really simple, delicious, healthy, low-carb drink that you can enjoy. Perhaps you're just finding me. If so, welcome. Or maybe you've been following me since last March when COVID began. I have been doing Facebook Lives for our type 1 diabetes community for almost a year now. My goal is to be a source of light and inspiration and education for all of us with type 1. I myself have had it for 40 years. Let's see, where's my Dex? See how I'm doing. I just got back from a walk and I'm super thirsty. And so I thought I'd show you guys today what I am going to be drinking. So also, see my nice, beautiful flat line? That was me. I just went on a 2-hour walk. And there is a trick to how to not go low and stay steady when you exercise. And it has everything to do with how well you've dosed your insulin. So I teach that in my course, Mastering Your Blood Sugar with Exercise, but that's not what we're going to talk about today. Today, I just wanted to show you my amazing drink. It is so easy. It's just a lemon gingerade. And all I do is you got to have a high-powered blender because if you're going to put everything in it in its whole form, it can get kind of thick if you don't have a high-powered blender. But if you have a high-powered blender, I just take up some fresh ginger root and I just slice that up and then I throw that in the blender. And then I normally take a full lemon and I just peel the lemon and I throw the whole lemon in. But today I actually used a little bit of lime and I used just a little Tangelo, little orange. And then I don't like putting ice in it because then it dilutes the flavor. So instead of ice cubes, I put a half a cup of frozen blueberries into my blender. So it's basically lemon gingerade. In this case today, it's lime and orange gingerade with blueberry. So that's it. And then I put a little bit of stevia in because stevia sweetens everything up. And I put about 8 to 16 ounces of water in, just depends on how strong you want your drink. Blend it up, which I'm not going to do right now in this video because it'll be super loud. But here's my beautiful drink. And there's probably 15 carbs in here because I did put a half a cup of blueberries in and a little bit of orange. A whole cup of blueberries is 17 carbs. So, I put 8 carbs of blueberries in and then maybe like 4 or 5 carbs in this guy. So I am so excited. And now I've sweetened it with stevia. So good. It's so good for us to stay hydrated. Not just because we have diabetes, but because we're human. And if you throw a little extra citrus in there, a little extra vitamin C, which is obviously good for the immune system. Blueberries, so good for circulatory, vision. Berries have great antioxidants to help keep our cardiovascular system healthy. And then, of course, ginger is really energizing. So why don't you give it a try? Just get a high-powered blender, throw some citrus and ginger and stevia in, throw a little frozen blueberries in if you want it, or just keep away from the carbs and just stay with lemon and ginger and ice. Super good. I'm going to be sharing a lot more of these kind of recipes in my new membership program that I've just launched. It's called the Type 1 Diabetes Crew. And the reason why I picked Crew as the name is because I want to change the mentality of us with type 1 to be that we're navigating our disease. You can't really control a ship. You have to navigate it. You can't really control diabetes. You have to navigate it, which means you need all the tools that so many of us haven't received. You need the tools to know how to confidently navigate. And that's what I'm giving you in the membership program, the tools to know how to navigate diabetes. So if you want to check out Type 1 Diabetes Crew, the link is right there. I'd love to see you there. I'm just about to do my Monday training in about half an hour that I do every Monday and live Q&As every Tuesday. So I'm so glad you watched my video today. I'm here spreading inspiration and education to everybody with type 1 because I'm perfectly aware of how much we need it. I've walked in your shoes every day for 40 years and living a healthy life with type 1 is absolutely possible with the right education and support. So that's what I'm all about. So thanks for watching this video. Please leave a comment below. And I will be back next Monday, if not sooner. Might be doing some spontaneous lives this week. But always on Mondays, right around 3 o'clock Pacific, 6 o'clock Eastern. Have a great day. Bye for now.